we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we just have a quick video with one item from Mike's Militaria. Feel free to check out the web store at mikesmilitaria.com. They always have a large variety of items, and he ships pretty quick. And stuff comes in and stuff goes out. So check back frequently. Again, mikesmilitaria.com. So let's get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's go ahead and get this open. Cut away from yourself to avoid mishaps. We got into the layer. I need to complete it this way. Close you back up. Extra piece. Alright, so in there. That. What we have today is a sticker from Mike's Militaria. Cool. Alright. So let's see if we can focus on that a little bit. This is a Spanish M09 Woodland Camouflage shirt. Ooh, nice. Let's take a look at the label real quick. Care instructions. And trying to see if there's any. Looks like there's some sort of antimicrobial stuff on here too. Nice. Okay, I don't see any year markings. This is used, so there's a little bit of fading. We have padded shoulders. I can feel that already. So let's just do a little quick spiel here. Looks like we got a collar. Folds down. We do have Velcro across the neck, so you can actually bring your collar up and secure it across that way. Let's put that back. Try to line it up. Fix that later. Yeah, again, we got padded shoulders, left and right. Looks like we got a little bit of a repair to do there. Luckily, I have a sewing kit or two. We can do that. Let's just look at the closures real quick. Looks like there's one button still buttoned. Two buttons still buttoned. Somebody was in a hurry to take this off. Okay. So we got buttons. Nothing on the top except for that closure. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons. Nothing at the very bottom. This is ripstop. You can see the square pattern there. No elastic along the hem. You can see that they use multiple panels to stitch this together for sizes. And then, well, let's look at the front features first. Looks like we have Velcro area, pretty big. And then we got pockets at a angle, Velcro closure, but check out the angle for access. Likewise on this side. I'm not going to bother opening that. No hip pockets. And then sleeve-wise, we do have a small flag patch area there, possibly. We have a shoulder pocket, Velcro closure, some slight ballooning. And we have one button on the cuff. Other side, we have a spot for a patch. Shoulder pocket, again, Velcro closure. Ballooning is now covered by the Velcro area. Feels like we have reinforced elbows too, and again, one button on the cuff. If we look on the inside, you can see kind of the mirroring of the internal of the pattern. No hidden pockets on the inside that I can see. And no ventilation in the pits area. Now if you notice, this is the shoulder area. It does have the camouflage under there that enclose the padding. If we turn this over, check out the back. You can see the nice spread of the pattern. So what I'm looking at here, if we put more light on it, might be washing out the color. Let me see if I can adjust the camera a little bit. But we do have, looks like the base color is this light foliage green, and then they proceeded to darken it with a kind of grayish green, a kind of khaki, beige, tan, definitely a black color there, and then this olive green as well, and this more foliage green. So we got how many colors going on here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I'm already losing count. It's been a long day. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. Well, feel free to check my math. And yeah, that's about it for this one. Didn't get the matching pants. Sizes were not available, so I'll keep checking back. But this was a score anyways, and the price was right. And I can go ahead and sew that up in the next couple of days. Get some sewing practice in. Make that disappear. I'll probably put a little reinforcement on the inside. Well, actually, do I need to? No, this is in a padded area. Yeah, okay, so we might have to do a blind stitch after trimming that a little bit. No biggie. So again, Spanish M09 Woodland Camouflage shirt, and this came from mikesmilitaria.com. Feel free to check out the web store. Feel free to check out other unboxing or unbagging videos on the channel. We also do more specific show and tell videos, as well as curios for the curious, which are more artsy type objects, and a few book reviews as well. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.